Get down. Whatever. Oh, this is all my bikinis and stuff. My son. Man, I swear to God, I have a lot tongues than an actual clothes. Heck, might as well just naked every day. What is this for? Bottom. Bottom, bottom, bottom. What is this? Shout out to Victoria's Secret. Which one should I wear? I need to buy new clothes, man. This is my gym clothes. Ow! This is so elegant. Heck yeah. It's way too elegant. God damn this woman. So as the tongues you have. That is like too much. Man, this is from my mom. I think it's too much for a yacht. This is for like, if like there's a ceremony or like, I don't know, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like some prestigious event.